Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Trading Basics. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change background color on MetaTrader 5 application. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your background color on MetaTrader 5, firstly go ahead and launch open your MetaTrader 5 application. The home page of MetaTrader 5 application will appear on the screen. Tap on Charts option at the bottom of the page. Now to change background on MetaTrader 5, double tap on the screen. From the pop-up, tap on little gear icon. You will end up on the settings page of MetaTrader 5. Scroll down and tap on colors. Click on background. Choose the color you would like to change and tap on it. After you're done selecting your background color, click on save. This is how you can change background color on MetaTrader 5 quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.